Hi, how do you remove the front panel on a Bosch HEI7282U? I am trying to replace the display board. I took the long black trim piece off the bottom of the front control panel thinking that would allow me to pull the front panel off. It moves slightly, but I don't want to force it. Are there other screws that I am not seeing? I looked on the Bosch site and I cannot even find an exploded diagram. Thanks.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So first, below is a link to the breakdown diagram on your unit. Click here now. In addition to removing the vent below the control panel, you must also remove the screws coming in from the side. To do this, you'll need to pull the oven out so that you can access the screws coming in from the side under the cooktop holding the control panel on.
Okay, thanks for the diagram. Let me try this. Can I leave this chat open in case I have more questions?
Yes, of course. Good luck.
Okay, I have everything apart except the oven control knob. Does it just pull off like the others?
Yes, it should just pull straight off.
It is a lot tighter than the burner knobs.
It's a different knob than the burner knobs, but it's just a D shaft coming out of the control board that the knob slides onto.
Wow. Thanks for your help. That oven control knob was the holdup. I got everything in. I haven't fired it up yet, but thanks again.
Not a problem, I'm glad I could help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.